Apache NiFi is a powerful open-source platform designed for automating and managing data flows between systems. With its intuitive interface and robust capabilities, NiFi enables reliable and scalable data movement across hybrid and cloud environments. You can find the developer guide in the description below and under the additional resources section on the product page. If you've already completed all the prerequisites, you may proceed with the deployment steps below. Click the View Purchase Options button. Accept the terms and conditions by clicking Accept Terms. Please allow a few moments for the subscription process to complete. Once the subscription is successful, click Continue to Configuration. Under Fulfillment option, select CloudFormation template. Choose the appropriate version and your preferred AWS region. Click Continue to launch. From the Choose Action drop-down, select Launch CloudFormation, then click the Launch button. This will take you to the CloudFormation stack creation page. Click Next to begin configuring the stack. Provide a unique name for your stack. Provide an admin email. Keep the AMI ID as default. Provide a domain name. Select your preferred instance type. Default is T3.medium. Enter your key name. Provide an admin password. Password should be 12 characters. Provide a username. Set the SSH location 0.0.0.0/0. Keep the VPC CIDR block and subnet CIDR block as default. Click Next. Check the acknowledgement box. I acknowledge that AWS CloudFormation might create IAM resources with custom names. Click Next button. Verify all entered details. Click Submit to launch the stack. You will be redirected to the CloudFormation Stacks dashboard. Please wait 5 to 10 minutes for the stack creation process to complete. Once the stack is created, go to the Outputs tab and copy the public IP value. Navigate to Route 53. And go to the hosted zones. And select your domain. Click Create Record. Enter the subdomain and paste the copied IP address into the value field. Click Create Record to save. Let's see how to generate SSL manually. Open the terminal and go to the directory where your private key is located. Enter yes. Once logged in, run the following command to generate the certificate. You can also find the command under the Generate SSL section of the guide. Admin email is needed to generate SSL certificates. In our example, SSL certificate is already installed. Now you can access the NiFi dashboard. Enter the admin details. Congratulations! You have successfully launched Apache NiFi on AWS using a CloudFormation stack.